Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I am here to share with you a big problem in journey of English speaking. So when we started our journey of speaking English, so from day one, we also always listen on things. If you want to improve your English communication, so start reading. First reading, and we also listen from social media, from our teachers, from everyone. But one question is there: really reading is most important and also helpful to improve English communication? It is the matter is same, means only reading is enough, then every student should be a fluent speaker. Every teacher, they are teaching for a long time English subject, but still now they are not able to speak English language fluently. So what is the fact? Many more time in my past also, I was a good reader. Per day, minimum 20 pages, 50 pages I read. But after a long time, when I asked myself, actually by reading, what did I get and what is the benefit, then I got zero, because I was not reading a smart reading. I was just reading a page. I got new book up and I searched in Google and very easily forgot, because I did not apply the smart reading process. Really, I want to ask you, if you want to gain some knowledge, so only reading will enough for you? No, you have to understand and also according to your need analyze the things. So same things also here. If you have a desire to become a fluent speaker and also reading, by reading you can prove it, you can take it a next level. So there is a question, how it possible? You are telling about smart reading. So what is the smart reading? So don't worry. I will tell you 5 trick of smart reading. It will help you. It will give you a new path, a new way. When you will follow this 5 technique, really you will reach a next level, and you will think, really I should apply these things. It not help me also, it help a unlimited person, because smart reading is most important. So number 1, before start smart reading trick, so one things remember in your mind: don't try to read a lot. For example, food is most important for our body. As a human being, without food, we can't survive without food. But if we eat unlimited food within a one day, what will happen? We will become ill and we will die, because our body have a limitation for digestion. So we have to give same quantity of food, then our body will get and consume a good energy and protein and carbohydrate. The same, don't try to within a one day unlimited pace, because your intention to improve English language. So for that you have to trick, no smart trick. Number 1, choose a paragraph. First, try to reading line by line silently and try to understand, and do it 1 or 2 times. Next, number 2, try to find out the vocab. There is any new vocab in the same paragraph. If you have a new vocab, try to find out the meaning through the Google Translator. and whatever easy for you, whatever easy process for you, try to find out that. And when you read silently, when you read, search the meaning of this particular word. Now try to loud reading, minimum 5 or 6 times. Try to revise and read loudly this same paragraph. It will help you to practice your mouth practicing, and it will help you to memorize the word phrase very easily. And fourth, try to understand the full paragraph and try to express same paragraph in your one word. For example, if you are reading a book, so close this page and try ask one question. What was during this paragraph? Which knowledge I got? What was in this particular paragraph? And however, not try to copy as a tool. It is not possible maybe for you. But if you understand, if you read 4 or 5 times, so after that you will have an idea and how to analyze and express same things in your work. It will increase your memory power, it will improve your comprehension power, and it will improve your speaking style. Means day by day you will have a habit of speaking, and when you will want to speak, that time you will not feel hesitation, that time you feel a confidence. And number fifth, last time, try to understand and try to focus on grammar. What type of grammar is used? What type of sentence is that? Because you have to analyze line by line. By that, you will improve your grammar portion also. So I told you 5 things: slow reading, search book up, third, loud reading, and fourth, try to explain that in your word this paragraph, and fifth, try to focus on grammar. When you will read same paragraph in 5 angle, so definitely you will find an idea, because only reading book is not our intention. Our intention to become a confident speaker, to become a fluent speaker, to become a good speaker. When it possible, when you will work, because you know yourself better way, when you will understand to yourself, when you will try to correct yourself, so day by day you will find a good destination, and your destination will be near to you. Because one sentence is there: this Ramgarh is not built up within a one day. For everything you have to give a time. Within a short time nothing possible. So wide and regular practice, and also try to apply in your life. Really, if you have a good connection with me, really it will help you to solve your problem. Because those people, the player of this field, he know the fact, he know the problem, he know the weak point. So stay with me day by day. I will try to show you, I will try to point out you a problem, and I will try to solve you. Thank you for watching my video.